Good morning. I feel like doing a little garden tour. How about you? This is winter. I don't get out here much. I tip over the compost so that it doesn't freeze and bust the container. Yeah, it's cold. These weren't ripe. These were started real late, so I didn't expect much from the pumpkins. That's pumpkin. Plus, I turned them upside down, and yeah, they just kind of, needed to be composted. So here's my onion patch. I'm working on a little onion patch here. I just started working out here. I loosened it up quite a bit. So anyway, I got a pile of grass out of it. And that, I'll just set that on the side. Let it compost. Oh, well, yeah. So, yeah, these are going to get planted. They're leftovers from somebody's farm. And they're going to make good calcium for the soil. Chickens love them. Anyway, over here. Oh, so much beauty, really. Let's see what we got in the raspberry department. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's a few left. The little birds will get those, I'm sure. Some little birds that come through here. Oh, what's this? I'll have to think about that for a while. Anyway, there's that one spot. It's still standing. The one with the corn stalks turned upside down. Yeah, it'll be fun to make another spot. I got some ideas for a chicken fence. They kind of go in. It's broken down a little bit. I don't care. They need to be in there. So, hi girl. Well, I don't know. There's not really much going on. There go some of my sticks. Crunch. And this is where the leeks were. That's real pretty. This is going to be fun. I don't know. I put out a lot of seeds. There's a lot of leeks in there. Huh. Is that a leek or grass? Oh. Is that grass? That's a leek. Oh, wow. That's a leek. Cool. It smells good. Smells like a leek should. Huh. Maybe I'll have some leeks this spring. I've been so disappointed with leeks because I don't know what to do with them. Check it out. There's a few that I planted. Don't know what's gonna happen. Anyway, and that old collard. Check it out. The old collards now. 5 years old. Gonna be 5.5. Look at that. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? 5 years. One of the first things I planted was this collard. That was the first garden plant that I put in the ground, was this old collard. I'm kind of partial to it. Anyway, I'm going to cut off because for some reason, videos have to be short or they don't load. Anyway, bye-bye. Have a great day.